Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time, but we're going to go ahead and get these carbs synced up. I already have my Motion Pro Sync Pro. It's all synced up to the #1 carburetor. All my levels are set correctly. Just getting it up and running and adjusting each carb individually. Now we'll start the engine and see where my gauges are at. You can see that these are off a little bit. See how this one's here? And then that one and that one and this one. So that's gonna have to be adjusted so they're all even with each other. Let me shut this off so you can hear me better. So this is #4, #3, #2, and #1. So every carb that I'm gonna adjust is gonna be matched up to #2. Right now I'm gonna adjust #1 cylinder to try to match the #2 cylinder carburetor. And the way I'm going to do that, again, is by adjusting this screw right here. I'm either going to tighten it down or loosen it. Now we're just going to keep doing that with the other 2 screws to try to get all these carburetors lined up. I don't know, I'd say that's pretty good. That's it. Carburetors are synced. Thing sounds freaking awesome. You hit that throttle and it just goes. I'm very impressed with this bike. All I got left to do is I got to get working on that new tank. We're going to spray paint that when I get the time. And what's left? And I think that's going to be it, man. We're going to put the seat back on and a couple of side covers. And this bike will be golden. So that's it for today. Stay safe on the road. God bless you.